Hi guys. Am I getting rich? Wow, am I getting rich? Let us check on my one of my live stream which has 1.8k, how much it has earned me. And then we check on one of my video which has 101 views so that we can analyze it and see which is the best way to go, because as for me, I haven't even understood as per now, but I want us to check with you and analyze those two. One live stream with 1.8k and one video with 101 views. I'm going to open my computer now so that we can go together and check the analytics together so that we can analyze it. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, here we are. And this is the video, as you can see. The video with 1.8. Let me show you. 1.8. I think you can see. It has 1.824. We want to analyze it, and then we analyze one video for us to see how it looks like. Okay, let's come here and open it. Here it is, as you can see. It is the same video. Let us go to analytics. After this video showing that it has 1.8 views, on this side it is showing that it has 34 views. Me, I don't understand this. Someone who has knowledge about this can advise me how it comes from 1.8k to 34 views. I don't understand there. It had watch time of 1.2 hours. Imagine, from 1.8k to 34 views, and 1.2 hours. And then it has a revenue of 0.06. Okay, let us now go to the video. I think you have captured that. Let us go to the video which has 101 views. Here it is. It is a video of me cooking ugali. As you can see, it has 101 views. Here it is. Okay, it is the same video, as you can see, of cooking ugali with 101 views. Let us analyze it. Remember, the live stream with 1.8k, it has 0.06. Okay, the video. This is the video of me cooking ugali, and it has 101 views. Let us check the analytics. Here are the analytics. As you can see, it has 101 views, 3 watch hours, and 0.27 revenue. What's your take on this? Because YouTube is very hard to understand, but anyone who can educate me about this, I can appreciate, because 1.8k with 0.06 and 101 views with 0.27. Let me add you another live stream because we still have time, as you can see. Let us come to those videos. I don't want those latest. I want to take you to the what do we call them? We are going to the live stream. Let us go to this one. I want to check this one of cooking eggplant, which has 800, as you can see here, 884 views. Let us check cooking eggplant. Here it is. Okay, let us check on the analytics. My friends, I don't understand this. Previously, it had 884, and now here it is reading 16 views. Watch time hours, at least it has 3.9. One subscriber, as you can see here, and the revenue 0.07. My friends, I'm really amazed because I don't know what happens or what do they do. I'm still learning, and this is why made me got tired of doing live streams. 884 views from the other side. When we come here, 16 views. Revenue with 884 views, 0.07. And I did it. Let us check. Let us check together. Eggplant. I did it on January 17, as you can see, and today we are March. The other one, I did it on 29th January. So I don't understand. Let us check a video which has the same date. Let us check this one of January. Let us check which one. Let me check for you. Let us check this one, which has 316 views, which I did on November 11th, about my tripod gift, my town tour, and unpacking. It was done on November 2025. And let us open it. Here it is. Analytics. You see, it has 316 views, the same as the other side. It has 29.1 views, as you can see here. 2 subscribers, 0.02. I want us to check. Let us check this one of after I was monetized. Video. Let me check even this one of February 2026. February 25th. This one, which has 98 views. You see, 98. Analytics, 98 views, 8.5 watch time, this one, and 0.46 revenue, you see. And it was uploaded on February 25, 2026 with 0.46. Let us check a live stream of February. Let's check February. One of this February. Let us check on this of Kishori rice. It is of February 1st, as you can see, with 463 views. Okay, let us come here and open it. Here it is, analytics. When you come this side, it says 37 views from 400 to 37. Watch time 2.5. Estimated revenue 0.06. Guys, can you kindly make me understand this, because I don't understand from this side why. That's why I said let me do videos a bit before I understand those live streams. On my side, I'm literally confused. And without further ado, let me say bye bye.